Hello friends, welcome to PryTech. This is part 2 of CSR Basic Interview Question Series. In this section, we will learn what is value data type in CSR, what is reference data type, what are static and non-static member, what are static and non-static variables, what is the scope of non-static variables, what is static and non-static methods, what are the rules to follow while working with static and non-static members, what is constant variable, what is read-only variable. Once you understand and memorize these questions, you are comfortable to attend any interview and apply this concept in your project or application easily. What is value data type in CSR? The data type which stores the value directly called as the value data type. They are derived from the class system.valueType. Based on the operating system 32 or 64 bit, the size of the memory of the data type may change. If you want to know the actual size of a type or variable on a particular operating system, then you can make use of the size of method. Example, console.writeLine size of int. So here size of int is 4. What is reference data type? The data type which is used to store the reference of a variable is called a reference data type. In other words, we can say that the reference type do not store the actual data stored in a variable, rather than they store the reference to the variables. What are static and non-static members? The member of a class is divided into two categories: static members, non-static members. The members of a class which does not require an instance for initialization or execution are known as the static member. The members which require an instance of a class for both initialization and execution are known as non-static members. What are static and non-static variables? When we declare a variable by using the static modifier, then those variables are considered as static variables, whereas the rest of the other are considered as non-static variables. If you want a variable to have the same value throughout all instances of a class, then you need to declare the variable as a static variable. So the static variable are going to hold the application level data, which is going to be same for all the objects. The static variables get initialized immediately once the execution of the class starts, whereas the non-static variables are initialized only after creating the object of the class, and that is true for each time the object of the class is created. A static variable gets initialized only once during the life cycle of a class, whereas a non-static variable gets initialized either 0 or n number of times depending on the number of objects created for that class. If you want to access the static members of a class, then you need to access them using the class name, whereas you need an instance of a class to access the non-static members. What is the scope of non-static variables? The non-static variables are created when the object is created and are destroyed when the object is destroyed. The object is destroyed when its reference variable is destroyed or initialized with null. So we can say that the scope of the object is the scope of its referenced variables. What is static and non-static method in CSR? If we declare a method using a static modifier, then it is called a static method, else it is a non-static method. You cannot consume the non-static members directly within a static method. If you want to consume any non-static members within a static method, then you need to create an object that, and then through the object you can access the non-static members. On the other hand, you can directly consume the static members within a non-static method without any restriction. What are the rules to follow while working with static and non-static members? Non-static member to static member can be consumed only by using the object of that class. Static member to static member can be consumed directly or by using the class name. Static member to non-static member can be consumed directly or by using the class name. Non-static member to non-static member can be consumed directly or by using the this keyword. What is const variable? The variable whose value cannot be changed or modified once after its declaration is known as a constant variable. Constants are static by default. It is mandatory to initialize a constant variable at the time of its declaration. The behavior of a constant variable is same as the behavior of static variable, that is, maintains only one copy in the life cycle of a class and initialize immediately once the execution of a class starts. Object is not required here. Main difference between static and constant variable. Static variable value can be modified, but a constant variable value can never be modified. What is read-only variable? The variable which is declared by using the read-only keyword is known as a read-only variable. The read-only variable's value cannot be modified once after its initialization. It is not mandatory or required to initialize the read-only variable at the time of its declaration, like a constant. You can initialize the read-only variable under a constructor, but the most important point is that once after initialization you cannot modify the value. The behavior of read-only variable is similar to the behavior of a non-static variable, that is, it maintains a separate copy for each object. The only difference between these two is non-static variable can be modified while a read-only variable cannot be modified. A constant variable is a fixed value for the complete class, whereas a read-only variable is fixed value but specific to one object of the class. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please feel free to comment if you have any query. Thanks. Bye. Take care.